There's two different types of heads that come on these. This one right here has the lock and unlock function right here. You also have some type of heads that have just a push button that you pull off that way, but they actually load the same. The only difference is how you take it off. For this one, I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. The first is the easiest way, and you don't have to take any of this apart. And then the second is if any of the string is broken, or if you want to replace all of the string that's in here all at the same time. All right, so we got now the head with no string on it. And there's a few different ways that you can reload it. You can buy these pre-wound sets right here that are 15, 16 feet long, or you can just buy your own pack. This all takes 0.08 inch, and if you buy your own pack in bulk, it's usually cheaper this way. This is how I normally do it. So here I've got the string that I'm going to put in. Best way to measure it is about 15 feet, so 2.5 arm lengths or so, maybe 3 for short. So what you're going to want to do is line up this arrow right here to these arrows right there. And you can do this by hand. You just click it over right there. There's also this hand crank that comes with it that you can buy that just acts as a wrench, but from my experience, this is super easy to turn. This is just another piece to lose and have to replace. But if it's hard for you to twist or anything, you can definitely get one of these. That makes it easier just to spin it around. All right, so now with your arrows lined up right here, we're going to start feeding the line through that hole. And there's one hole on each side, so you feed it through and then spin this around, and you'll look for it to come out on the other side. So it comes right through. And this is where you might have to move this just barely kind of back and forth to get these lined up. But once you have it started through, just go ahead and pull it all the way. And you want the two lengths to be equal on each side. Sometimes what I do with these, I just put them on the ground, and then here from the ground, you can even them out a little bit. So there we go. It's about even right here. This is where this is why I call this the easy way. Just grab this knob, start spinning it. Alright, and then once you're at the approximate length, you can leave it right there. As this spins around, it'll trim any excess using this little clip right here. So if it's too long, it's going to get trimmed down and they're going to match. There you go, that's the easy way. It's all spun up, ready to go. Get back at it. Now for the hard way, let's say that you have no string. You don't have anything to be able to feed through, or your string is broken off inside of here. I'll show you how to remove this whole head and replace everything that's in here. First thing that you got to do, you see these two arrows right here. This is lock and this is unlock. Just spin it to the unlock. All right, now as this comes apart, you're gonna have a spring that might pop out. The spring goes right here, but this is what you're wanting to grab onto. Push from the bottom right here, and that pushes both of these pieces out. Now, like I said, if you're removing the string or if you got a broken piece or whatever, it's all the same. And be careful because this piece does come apart like that. It only goes back together. You can see that there's two grooves right there and down here on the bottom, and those line up to a slot right here and right here. So when you put this together, make sure those are lining up and go together flush like that. So now if you want to load the string from here, you'll see this ridge and this ridge right here. The line just goes straight through the middle, just like that. Pull it through. Same thing how we did earlier, make it even. Now we got to put these two together. But before you can put them together, you got to take the ends of the string and put them through that hole from the inside. From the inside, I'm going to slide that one through. Same thing on the other side. Alright, so here's what it looks like. And then from here, pull these strings tight as you put everything down in, and you're good to go again when this ridge is lined up with this string right here on both sides. Make sure that that arrow is lined up with this arrow as they go down. Keep that spring in place, hold it together, and then twist it to lock it in place. Same process to spool it up, where you grab this green knob, just twist it up. There you go, you got new string, ready to go.